Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, I know we're under quarantine, and again, a lot of us, we can't stay locked up in a house with nothing, so we have no choice but to go out. And to those of you that have to go to work, or God forbid if y'all are out of work without getting any pay, it's just, I'm starting to freak out. Don't mind me, I just hope that we are over this soon. Just make sure you're being safe and you're just being careful with everything you do. First and foremost, make sure you're washing your hands. But other than that, I hope everybody's being safe. I hope everybody's being careful. Anyways, guys, I do have some new spoilers for the BoxyCharm Premium April box. So if you're excited for this video, y'all go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified. You don't miss no spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now, sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which was for BoxyCharm and Base Box and Premium April spoilers. Congratulations, Pauline Lane. Pauline says hi, girl. Well, hi, Pauline, honey. How are you doing? I hope you're doing well. I hope you ain't going too stir crazy. But I really appreciate you coming and watching the video, girl. Thank you so much. I love you. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this here video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know, I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, let's go ahead and dive into this madness. So first, I'm going to show you the spoilers that we've already seen, and then I'm going to reveal to you the 2 new spoilers. So first up, there is the Pharmacy Beauty Honey Potion Mask, and then we got the Lunar Beauty Life's a Drag eyeshadow palette. Then we have the Pure and Barbie collab eyeshadow palette. Then we have the Smashbox Cosmetics LA eyeshadow palette. And next was the Choice Items, which was Becca Cosmetics Luminous Blush, and then the Stila Cosmetics Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow. And another one is the Cover FX Water Cloud Primer, and then the Peach and Lily Good Acids Toner, and then we have the Kopari Coconut Face Cream. Now guys, I'm going to reveal the new spoilers. So first up, now these are variations, so you're going to get one or the other. So first up is the Natasha Denona Blush Duo. Now the shades may vary, but in this little clip right here of Joe showing the blush and stuff out, we know that shade's confirmed. But I can't quite see what that shade is on there, but we know that one's confirmed. But there might be more shades of this. And then next is the Levito Beauty Age Replenishing Face Cream. Now again, both these items are variation items, so you will be getting one or the other. So let me know which one you would like to get down in the comments section. And also let me know how you guys are doing, how you guys are coping with being quarantined. We all need ideas of what to do while we're stuck in the house. Of course, as soon as they reveal any more spoilers, I'll keep you guys updated. I gotta keep you in the loop. And as always, BoxyCharm's linked below if you want to go check them out. Now guys, let's read that comment that I picked in my last video. Congratulations, Angel Dolphin. I hope I said that right. Anyways, Angel says, hey, sugar, thank you for sharing. Well, Angel, you are more than welcome, honey. If I didn't have videos to do, I would go nuts. But I really appreciate you coming and watching the video. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. And remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want a shout out. And guys, double check. Please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to unsubscribe people for no reason. Like they got this secret channel of their own over there, and they're taking all of our subscribers and putting it on that. But if you would double check that, and if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you gotta take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm gonna need y'all to rate the video, but you're only gonna have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button, because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago, and YouTube won't fix it. There's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. But if you would, guys, make sure your notification bell is set on. That way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. Guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers. So if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you. I love y'all so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.